Hello students of Standard 7, how are you? I hope you are well. In previous classes, we have already revised chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today, we revised chapter 2, part 2. These are some important questions. Now, we will discuss important points. First of all, students, I am telling you, you learn all objective questions of all chapters of your first term syllabus. Okay? Number B, chapter 2, circle the correct answer. Prophet Muhammad reached Medina in 622, 633 common era. Answer 622 common era. Number 2, the Islamic calendar is known as the Hijri or Hijrat calendar. The Islamic calendar is known as the Hijri. Its answer. Number 3, Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman and Ali. The first 4 caliphs are called rightly guided caliphs. Number 4, the Muslims were divided into 2 groups, the Shia and the Sunnis. Number 5, under Harun al-Rashid, Baghdad became a great center of art and learning. Number 6, the Turks were nomadic tribes of Central Asia. Students, impact and contribution of Islam after the death of Prophet Muhammad. His followers developed a new civilization which was a combination of the Greek, Persian and Indian civilization. Political contribution, the rapid expansion of Islam bound the empire together. The caliphs were both political and religious heads. They were great supporters of learning and literature. See these images, students. Slave trade. Slave trade was a dark side of the Arabian trade. Science. The Arabs made great progress in the field of mathematics, astronomy, medicine and chemistry. The Abbasid caliphs were great learners. They learned the decimal system and numerals 0 to 9 from Indians. They spread it to Europe. It is known as the Arabic numerals in Europe. Arabs discovered the cause of smallpox and tuberculosis. Strabon, Strolab, Al-Razi. First of all, students, we revise quick revisions. Now it's very important. इस बीच स्टूडेंट मैं आप लोग को बता दूं, कोई भी आपके अगर टेस्ट होते हैं, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट या फिर कोई भी टेस्ट, तो स्टूडेंट्स जो भी आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस है आपके सिलेबस के, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप उसको देखो और भी जो पॉइंट्स है आप उसको देखो. ओके, विल ट्राई टू, आपको कोशिश इस बात की करनी है कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा ना हो जिसको आपने नहीं देखा. ओके, students, I repeat again, you learn all objective questions of all chapters of your first term syllabus. Fill in the blanks. Baghdad was at the center of all important trade routes. The Arabs used manual compass for navigation. Firdausi wrote Shahnama. Islamic art does not have any images. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था स्टूडेंट्स, ये मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, इसको समझ लो. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. द अरब, नंबर 1, द अरब वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम द 7th to the 13th century was an cosmopolitan civilization. Oh, sorry, cosmopolitan civilization. Number 2, the caliphs were both political and religious heads. अगर आपके ऐसे कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, कीप इन योर माइंड, इस बात को हमेशा आप ध्यान में रखना कि अगर आप ऑब्जेक्टिव का कोई नंबर टिक कर देते हो तो आपका आंसर हो जाता है. कोई ऑप्शन टिक कर देते हो, जो इसका आंसर है उसका ऑप्शन आप टिक कर देते हो तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. ऐसा कोई अगर टेस्ट आपका हुआ तो. 3, was a dark side of the Arabian trade, slave trade. The Arabs discovered the cause of smallpox, tuberculosis. Number 5, the Arabic architecture is a fusion of three styles: Byzantine, Persian, and Roman. We have already read it, students. Here is some questions. These are important. Your book question number 4. Write short note on Umayyad and Abbasid. Umayyads. After Ali, the next caliphs were the Umayyads. They ruled for about a century. They conquered the regions up to Samarkand in the east. The influence of Islam spread over a vast area during their rule. Around this time, the Muslims were divided into two groups, the Shias and the Sunnis. Abbasids. After the Umayyads, the Abbasid caliphs came to power. They overthrew the Umayyads in 750 Common Era. They shifted their capital to Baghdad. Harun al-Rashid was the most popular Abbasid caliphs. Baghdad became a great center of art and learning under him. Question number 5. In which area did Islam spread during the reign of the Turks? Answer. Islam had spread to the whole of Arabia, West Asia, Northern Africa, Eastern Europe and India by that time. Question number 6. What was the political contribution of the caliphs? The caliphs were both political and religious heads. They were great supporters of learning and literature. They constructed new roads. They restored the old roads built by the Romans. They maintained law and peace. As a result, trade and industries grew rapidly. Okay students, today revision class is completed. Thank you.